Hi guys, my name is Latifah. Welcome back to my channel. I did promise you guys on my previous video that I would make a tutorial on how I blend my fresh green seasonings in order to make my food taste a little bit more delightful and way more flavorful. So here you go, guys. So we have all of our fresh seasonings here. We have Scallion, we have Chadon Beni, aka Recao, we have Thyme, we have red hot pepper or Scotch bonnet pepper. We also have our garlic and our onion. Also, we have here some parsley. Parsley, guys, is usually used as a garnish for presentation and decoration purposes. As you can see, it's really dirty, so you want to make sure to wash all of the dirt thoroughly from inside of the parsley. We also have some cilantro. It's very similar to parsley, however, it's way more strong in flavor. It's filled with dietary fibers, iron, all that good stuff. So we're going to wash this out and get it ready for preparation. So now that our fresh seasonings are already washed and prepped, we're going to begin the blending process. First, I'm going to start with the scallion. You don't have to start in this order. You can start in any order that you please. We just want to put all of the seasonings inside of the blender. Next, we're going to add our Chadon Beni, aka Recao. I am going to add the correct spelling in the description box below because you guys, you need this. It is life. It gives the food so much flavor and it is definitely a Trinidadian favorite. Next, we're adding thyme. Thyme has a lot of antibacterial properties in it, which is great for hair, skin, and just your body overall. Next, we're going to add our parsley and our cilantro. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more of a closer look of the parsley and the cilantro. If you look at the parsley in my left hand, you'll be able to see that the leaves are a little bit more further apart and pointy versus the cilantro. The leaves are more rounded at the ends and closer together. So if you ever had trouble figuring out which one is parsley, which one is cilantro, that's how you'll be able to tell. Now we're just going to break them up and add them to the blender as well. So now we're going to take our onion out of this cold cup of water. It was soaking in here for 10 minutes for two reasons. Reason number one is because soaking the onion in cold water reduces tears. And reason number two is because it enhances the flavor of the onion. There is 10 ounces of water in this Pyrex cup. We're just going to add it to our blender so that we can start blending. So now that we're finished with blending the first time, we have a little bit more space. So now we can add our garlic, our onion, and our hot pepper. I'm adding the smallest bit of hot pepper to this mixture because I hate spicy food. But if you love it, you can add the whole hot pepper. Now we're going to add our onion. Add approximately 1 more ounce of water and blend for the second time. We want our mixture to be nice and thick so that we can massage it and marinate it over whatever meat or fish that we're making. So now we're going to pour our fresh green seasoning mixture into little mason jars and put it into the fridge. Or if you don't plan on cooking anytime soon, you can pour it into ice trays and store it inside of the freezer. That way, when you are ready to cook, it will still be fresh. And there you have it, guys. Fresh green seasoning. Quick, easy, and beneficial. As always, if you do love my video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for so much more goodness.